Morning, Boomers. Brian Tong here from Boomerlife. Today I'm talking about a keto diet. I've decided that I've got to do something to get 50 pounds off me. And everything I've read says getting rid of carbs is what's going to make it happen. So, what's a keto diet? You've heard enough about it, I'm sure. Also known as Atkins, Mediterranean, lots of variations on the theme of basically getting rid of carbs. It's a low carb, high fat diet. Can be effective for weight loss and certain health conditions that has been demonstrated in many studies. It's one that limits carbs and has many potential health benefits. When you eat fewer carbohydrates, your body begins to burn fat for fuel. This can put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, your liver turns fat into small energy molecules called ketones, which your brain and other organs can use for energy. Eating a keto diet lowers insulin levels, often dramatically, which can help you access your body fat stores for energy. Many studies show significant weight loss on keto without having to count calories, thank goodness. Keto diets may have other positive health effects, such as reducing blood sugar levels. But there is a warning. If you take medication for high blood pressure or diabetes or are breastfeeding, this diet may not be for you. Consult your physician before trying it. Obviously, I'm not a medical doctor, so if you're just fat like me with no weird health conditions, you should be okay. Otherwise, consult your doc. A keto diet is especially useful for losing excess body fat without hunger and for improving type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. That is what the research shows. But can I make it work? I am 63. I've always been a big dude, football player, weightlifter, you name it. But now that I'm getting older, I no longer need to be carrying around almost 280 pounds, even if I'm 6 feet tall and generally in pretty good shape. With a BMI of in the 30s, this tells me that I have nearly 90 pounds of fat in my body, and that's simply not accessible. And try as I might to cut down on the bad stuff, I can't seem to lose weight. For Christ's sake, I also have a PhD in holistic natural health, so you'd think I should be able to figure this out. So what do you got to do? You got to reduce carbohydrates, get plenty of protein, and add fats for flavor and fullness. If done right, it will help you lose weight, improve blood sugar without hunger and counting calories, as I said. It has many names, but the bottom line is avoiding carbohydrates, namely sugar and sweets, bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, corn, and sugary drinks. I don't have a problem with most of these as I'm not a sweets guy, but I like my pasta and potatoes. And how do you eat Chinese without rice? So I did some research and I made a cheat sheet to attach to my fridge, which I'll share with you. I'm going to get on this plan and stick with it come hell or high water, and I'll let you know how it turns out. Keto food, here's a summary of the plan. The keto foods to eat: salmon, lean beef, tuna, skinless chicken breast, pretty much any meats. Quinoa, lentils, olives, coffee's okay. Eggs, three eggs 4 times a week is okay. I like them hard boiled. Lots of green tea. You can take whey powder, full fat Greek yogurt, 2% fat cottage cheese, olive oil, salad with olive oil and vinaigrette, all kinds of vegetables, mostly the green ones. For snacks, you can eat nuts like almonds, Brazil nuts, macadamias, and pecans. Ezekiel bread, 1 slice a day, which is 15 grams of carbs. So if you're trying to limit yourself to 30, you can and eat 1 slice of Ezekiel bread. That's half of it. But let me tell you, if you haven't eaten any carbs for a few days, 1 slice of Ezekiel bread tastes really good. I can tell you that. I had one for breakfast. And if you want to have a cocktail, whiskey neat vodka with sparkling water, not tonic water unless it's sugar-free, or a shot of tequila. All have 0 carbs, and a glass of red wine has 2 carbs. So you could do 15 glasses of red wine and no food every day and stay at 30 carbs, or maybe some blend of the two would be best. Fats to add, basically cheese, avocado, nuts, meat, butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. And I listed some 23 high fat, low carb foods that you can use to increase your fat intake. Sauces and dressings, this is the hard part. I've included some links to some keto sauces, marinades, and salad dressings to make it easier. If you want to try these, you can buy them through my links on Amazon. We make a couple pennies if you do that. But olive oil with apple cider vinegar and some herbs tossed in will work just fine. Remember the old Good Seasons cruet you used to be able to buy with the stuff that in the seasonings inside, and all you had to do was add vinegar and oil? They don't make those anymore. I don't know why. So anyway, that's the deal. Let's give it a shot, see how it goes, and come along for the ride, and I'll keep you posted. Have a good day. It's Brian Tong at Boomerlife. Out.